All right, thanks for checking out this video. I am inside the Coachmen Catalina 263, and this one has bunk beds, and you can see underneath the bunks it's got a nice big storage area there too. So let's take a quick look around. Your thermostat on the wall right here. It's got all kinds of windows, nice big windows right there. It's got your flip-flop sofa with cup holders, a huge U-shaped dinette with storage underneath. And like I said, there's storage under the bunk. The ladder comes right there with it. Working windows on each bunk bed. You don't see that a lot in most campers anymore. They both will open. So right here you have some storage drawers, extra counter space, nice big huge sink right there. Looks like we got a little RV antifreeze dripping out, but that's all right. At least it's winterized. So there you got a pull-out high-rise faucet. And these cabinets, yeah, there's a lot of storage, but look how these shelves are made. You look at a lot of brands, they just have a little flimsy shelf in the middle. This thing is absolutely solid. I am ripping on this thing, and the reason why is because it's not just glued and stapled. This is screwed together like your cabinets at home would be. I'm gonna try to get this in there so you can see. Hopefully you can see that on the inside. They are screwed together cabinets. So nice and solid. You can see they even put trim in the back up there so it looks nice. Doesn't want to come apart. They put caulking all in the seams all around everywhere so you don't get water behind. If something spills, nothing gets behind there. Stainless steel oven, stainless steel microwave, and this is the better oven with the nice heavy duty grates. Right down here you have your breakers and fuses. Nice big fridge, more huge deep storage, one above, one below, more storage below the TV. And you have the dyslexic today, JBL audio with a nice little spot there if you wanted to stick a DVD player in there. This camper comes with Wi-Fi extender included right there, so you can put Wi-Fi into the camper without having to lean out the window to try to get a signal. So coming into the bedroom, you got a nice big residential queen bed, and on each side of the bed there is a USB port and power. All that room to put your goodies, glasses, CPAP, whatever you might have. Tons of storage above, hanging storage on the sides, door to go out, and right in the bedroom you have another big area right there for all of your stuff. There's even a spot on the wall right here where you can hang a TV. There's a backer right there in the wall. Coming back across the floor now, we're gonna go look inside the bathroom. Look at that, USB ports in the bunk area. Nice big tub surround, huge skylight, your vent, sink in the bathroom, lots of room to be able to move around, foot flush toilet, and there you have it. That's the inside of the 263. Let's run to the outside real quick and see what we got out there. It has the nice flip down steps. We're gonna take a walk around. Aluminum rims. This is aluminum also, so it's not gonna rip out. You have a nice pass-through storage right here. Goes all the way through. It's wired for solar, so if you wanted to add solar to this puppy, you can. We're gonna put 2 propane tanks there for you and a brand new battery. There's a 12-volt kill switch right there. There's the other side if you pass through storage. Your freshwater tank fill. More aluminum fenders, so nice and solid. They're not gonna rip and break and crack on you. You got an outside hot and cold water shower, your black tank flush, your city water hookup, and they actually even give you a little spot to put that shower on. Cable and satellite hookup, your dump stations down here, and then 30 amp power in the back. Then they give you this nice cargo rack back here with the spare tire hooked on it. The spare tire is a full size and it's covered It's just not some cheap rack, I'll tell you. They weld it onto the frame, and you can tip it down just by pulling this out, and it sits right on the bumper, so it's real strong. I believe it's 200 pounds that it can carry. And there you have it. Let's take a quick look in here. Most important, you just push that up and it stays on its own. It's got the magnets up there, so you have a little outside fridge. You got your griddle, like a Blackstone griddle. There's the sprayer for the spray port. Some more storage outside. If you want to crack a cold one right there, you can do that. And then before we go, I wanted to tell you that the LED lights on this awning, it's a power awning, they're color changing, so you just hit the remote. Also, that JBL audio system has outside speakers right there for you. They're marine grade outside speakers. And I'll tell you, I didn't even go over all of what this has, but I'll tell you, it is one nice camper. You come out, you get yourself a Coachmen. Bleach latch. Thanks, bye.